How do I look? Is that what you said?
Yeah.
I look like an idiot.
I actually should probably eat that one. Oh, look at that.
Check that thing out.
That does.
Someone bite that.
I will.
Armadillo eggs. I just got nut tapped by my buddy. What's up, Mooch Lifers? Welcome back. Today's vlog is a food vlog. We are heading to camp. We got everything loaded up in the truck. We got our smoker that we insulated for our winter smoke. If you haven't seen the videos where I did that, I'll link them up above. We got our bag full of all of our accessories. We'll go over that when we get there. And of course, the cooler, because we need some frosty beverages. So let's head up to camp, get everything unloaded. It's gonna be a great time. We got some amazing cooks to do today on the smoker right here on Mooch Lake. All the goodies, beer, ice, everything we need for the smoker. We are right down the street from camp. Let's get in there and show you guys what we got to whip up for the smoker today on Mooch Life. Another season of springtime here at camp. It's good to be back. Let's get all unloaded. If it's your first time with us here at camp, we got our Prowler, Heartland Prowler camper right there with the shed. A couple four-wheelers going in there. This is our home away from home. It's where we spend time on the weekends, me and the missus. But today we're cooking. It's the food vlog vibes. This is our unidentified smoking apparatus. Our USA. Just kidding, that's weird. Master built electric smoker. Got the camp table all set up. What does it look like we're making here? Something that's a staple in barbecue cooking. If you haven't guessed it already, armadillo eggs, guys. We got all the ingredients we need right here. Here's all our ingredients. We got our rib rack bourbon barbecue sauce, Kinder's Buttery Steakhouse Original Bearded Butcher blend, 4 pounds of 85 lean, 15 fat beef, low sodium bacon, some cream cheese, some Colby Jack cheese, hickory smoking chips, and cherry. We're gonna do half hickory, half cherry. So we're gonna get all our ingredients in the bowl, mix it up. Let's get to it. All right, let's open up our beef. Get that in the bowl. I'm gonna go ahead and sprinkle a bunch of our Buttery Steakhouse on there. And a bunch of our original Bearded Butcher blend. There we go. And I'm gonna mix that around real generous like. That's what it looks like. Let's get your meat and fold it over itself. That way you bury those seasonings down at the bottom. While I'm mixing this up, why don't you guys tell me what your favorite recipes are for the smoker? Whether it's easy or hard, quick or slow. Drop down in the comments below. I want to know what you guys think, what you guys like to cook. Check out how big these jalapenos are, guys. They can make some really nice big ones, but I don't want to make big ones because I'm going to be sharing these with some friends next door. So I'm going to make little bite-sized ones, if you will. So instead of wrapping the meat around these, and I'm only going to have 8 big armadillo eggs, I'm going to cut them into strips. We're at camp. I have no cutting board. I got one knife. That's how we do it. We're roughing it. Just gonna cut the tops off, cut them in half. Now that they're in half, just use my finger to scrape out the guts and seeds. See how easy that is, just like that. I'm gonna cut up all of them and I'll be right back. Look at these beautiful halves. Like I said, these are pretty big. I didn't want the full thing in there, so I'm gonna do halves instead. Hopefully we'll get an egg-ish shape from them but I got like 16 pieces here, so I'm gonna wrap them up with the cheese, the bacon, and the cream cheese. So let's see how that looks while we do that process. Take a little bit of cream cheese, put it right in there like so. A little bit of Colby Jack cheese and a little scoop of the beef. Gonna flatten it out kind of like a beef patty, and then spread it all the way around here. If you have to add more beef, do it. Just like that. Looks like a big old football, or an egg, armadillo egg that is. And then you take a nice piece of bacon and just wrap it around there. And if you need a second piece of bacon, do a second piece of bacon. I'm not going for style points here, but there's an armadillo egg. So I'm gonna make these all up. We'll see you in a little bit. All right, check it out, guys. Look how awesome that looks. We got our armadillo eggs. They're actually pretty much full size. I just cut them in half. I was gonna sliver them up into skinnier sticks, but I decided not to. So I guess the rule of thumb will be, for me, if they're smaller jalapenos, use them whole and stuff the jalapeno. If they're huge, like the ones I had, then have them. Now, the only thing I'm doing here that will be like an experiment is with them halved, is the cream cheese and the shredded cheese gonna like explode out of here while they cook. I feel like the circumference of the jalapeno itself will help keep that in there, so we might run into an issue, but nonetheless it's gonna eat. This big guy here is like 6 jalapeno halves just wrapped in like 6 pieces of bacon because I ran out of beef. So this one actually has no beef in it, just a bunch of pepper and bacon. And as a little bit of a treat here, we're gonna go ahead and cross-hatch some cream cheese, put some barbecue rub on it, and make us some smoked cream cheese to go as an appetizer. All right, so that crosshatch just gives it more surface area so that you can get more of your seasoning in the cracks and more smoke can get through there. So it's time to season. We're gonna go ahead, use our Bearded Butcher Original for the seasoning. So let's go ahead and just get the tops of these real good. Just sprinkling it right over my truck, why not? There's a pan beneath, it's fine. It's fine. Go. Last couple here, liberally with the Bearded Butcher blend. And now we'll get our cream cheese. Awesome. Let me get out of the shadow here. Look how awesome this is gonna look. Down in the cracks there. And there you go. Look at it, guys. Look at it. It looks awesome. To the smoker we go. It's time to get our smoke going. We're gonna set our temperature. It's hard to see on here, but we're gonna go 220. You can see that. And then we're gonna add our cherry and hickory chips. So we'll just do like half and half. And there you go, there's a little tray. Flip it. That dumps them, they'll start burning. And we'll get our trays in the smoker. The one with the cream cheese goes on top so that the drippings don't drip all over. There's one. And there's two, guys. Oh yeah. We're gonna be eating good today, I'll tell you. All right, so we'll check on this, close it up, lock it in, and there it is, the USA, the unidentified smoking apparatus, otherwise known as the insulated Masterbuilt. We'll let that smoke. I'll add chips in about half an hour. Gonna plan on cooking this for about 2 hours. Once the bacon is basically all crispy, we're done. All right, guys, we're almost there. So we got some Tostinos and some crackers in our bag here. We're gonna go ahead and throw that on the quad. Now we're gonna open up the smoker. Check out our product. Woo, smoky, smoky. Ooh, look at all those drippings in the pan. We're gonna appetizer with our smoked cream cheese. Look at that, guys. Oh my God, dude. That looks so awesome with the Bearded Butcher blend on there. Come on. So we're gonna bring that over next door, show you our delivery service, and then we're gonna let these go for maybe another half an hour. I'm gonna crank it up so that bacon really crisp. I got one final tray of chips in there with our cherry hickory mixture. I'm gonna crank that all the way up to 275 because I am not happy with how crispy this bacon is. It's not firm enough. And let's go ahead and deliver our cream cheese for an appetizer, and we'll come back, we'll get our barbecue sauce on there, finish those up. And let's show you how we do it here on Mooch Life with the food delivery service. And that is how you deliver appetizers to the hunting camp. Bring the action to the fellers. All right. Yeah. Make fun of me. That is cherry and hickory mixed. And we got some Tostinos, bite size, and some crackers. So, enjoy. Tell us how it tastes.
Which flavor is this one, Mark?
They're all the same. It's a Bearded Butcher's original blend.
Mark,
This is like, oh, sorry. Here.
Open the mouth up.
And it's hickory and cherry chips.
I told you.
It's like cream cheese and wood.
Cream cheese and wood.
How about it? Everyone's digging in.
Hell yeah.
Got some beer.
Good stuff.
Whoops. Whoop.
Oh, he was cleaning his grill.
How was it, guys?
Excellent.
So good?
Dylan wants to.
Dylan wants to. Dylan, how was it? Yep. Simple.
Little pitmaster privilege here.
That's right. I've learned that
Yeah, I'm
It
surprised.
it just
almo-
stays. Like you can
It
smoke
almost seems
forever.
like it's like seared.
Yeah, and it's like it will never like lose its shape. Like you think it's gonna melt because it's in there too long. It doesn't melt. It just like stays a brick no matter what. So it's just like as much smoke as you want to add to it, you add to it. So that's that. Ooh. So that's that. We're gonna go get these armadillo eggs here shortly. Put the barbecue sauce on them, and we'll pig
What
out.
are armadillos?
All right. So I didn't bring any hot hands with me. That was a mistake. But that's just part of camping. You don't always have all the gear you need, but you make it work. So I'm just gonna take a couple shop towels, pull it out halfway, crack open our nice barbecue sauce, bourbon, rib rack. Take a little sample there. Oh yeah, that works. And we'll just drizzle a little bit on each piece. Spread it around. Bloop. 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 Smother it all around. Beautiful thing. Beautiful, beautiful. 15 more minutes, we'll be all ready to go. Whew, hot. Another four-wheeler delivery.
probably pooped with it.
Yeah.
I do. I poop with the camera.
Yeah, you are lying there.
Shit,
What is that?
Those are the armadillo eggs.
And then you poop and then you take a picture of it with the
I gotta try. I'm full, but I gotta try one.
Yep, try them out.
That's a.
Check out that color. They smell awesome. We're gonna dig in here. We'll eat them tomorrow too.
Nobody wants them.
Yeah, but all your bear's getting in there. You'll be
Say
sitting
action.
in the woods. Come
Action.
on.
How are they,
Definitely.
Jeff? Ooh, look at that.
Pretty fucking good.
Put a little bleep action in there. Are they good? They
Very
taste
good.
smoky? Cool. Just gonna cut into the middle here, see what we're looking like.
Hard as a rock. I can't get it.
Oh my gosh. He's busting chops.
Pretty good.
Wow,
There
look
it
at
is,
that.
armadillo
I won't hear
egg.
the end if I don't try it, right?
Oh,
Check it
you're gonna
out.
like it. It's pretty cool looking.
Seasoning.
It's creamy. It's creamy in the middle.
How does it taste?
Doesn't look
Jeff
good.
says it's good.
Oh, he
Got like a bourbon barbecue sauce on top.
We're making a YouTube video. Hey, piece
Don't.
of
I
that,
don't want to
Sam.
be in it.
Yeah, I won't show your face.
Yeah, show his face.
No. Is it good?
Hello, camera.
Mmm.
Sean, you want me on camera?
Yes, sir.
How's that taste?
What's the meat?
Just ground beef. Hey, we got a thumbs up.
I think it's smoked too
Hi,
long.
camera.
Is it too smoky?
That's delicious.
Oh, it's hot.
Likes it? Mixed reviews, mixed reviews.
I like it.
You like it?
What do you think, Jeff? Think it was smoked like an hour too long?
This guy right here is being a jerk.
Whoa.
He's just messing with me.
Because he was hungry an
This
hour
this
ago.
one right here is
Oh
nothing
my
but
God.
it's all it is bacon and peppers. There's no meat there. That's all bacon and pepper.
Whoa, that's
Cut that in half just for fun. Because that was left over, there was no meat left.
Oh my, that's hot.
No, I don't taste. It's not hot at all. Oh, I actually should probably eat that one. Oh, look at that.
Check that thing out.
That does.
Someone bite that.
I will.
You should do a mix and match.
I should bite that.
Oh, that's all jalapeno.
Look at that. Yeah, it's all
that looks-
pepper.
That looks phenomenal.
I mean, that was just leftovers because I ran out of meat.
Dylan, make sure you take the toilet paper with you in the morning.
It's going to be
and a couple bottles of water.
an awesome turkey hunt in the morning.
You better put your butt wipes in the freezer tonight.
Oh, you're gonna hear the next morning.
How do I look? Is that what you said? I look like an idiot. All right, guys, there it is. Armadillo eggs. I just got nut tapped by my buddy. Feels good. Spicy meat, spicy ball tap. There it is, right here on Mooch Life. Armadillo eggs. I'll put the recipe down below. Make sure you check out all my other videos. Thanks for watching.
Yeah, check
I'm
out
Mooch.
all his videos.
This is Mooch Life. Peace out.